Hi, everyone. Welcome back. We're going to continue our discussion of fittings, moving on to talk about showers. So we already talked about bathroom faucets and drains. If you have a tub shower combo, you'll need a diverter, which sends water one direction or the other. All right. And of course, you'll need a shower head and the shower valve with controls. Let's talk about that diverter first. If you've got a tub shower combo, you need a diverter. And there's a bunch of different options for how you control it. A pull knob, a push, a turn, a button, a single handle. But all they do is to control where the water, which tube or pipe the water is being sent to. All right. A multi-head shower enclosure that doesn't have a tub might also need a diverter to control which shower head is activated at any one time. Shower valves come in two major types: pressure valance and thermostatic. Now, the valve, by the way, is the piece that you can't see. It's hidden in the wall. All right, so this is the valve, and then these are the controls that attach to that valve. This is the valve kind of hidden in the wall, and then these are the controls that go on that valve or the handle. All right. So with the pressure balancing type of valve, it controls the water volume and water temperature together. You're probably really familiar with this one. This is the older type of valve and less expensive also. It does not compensate for changes in temperature from the hot and cold supply. All right, so you might get a big rush of hot water um, when someone flushes the toilet in your house. Or you might also notice a general or slow temperature decrease through your throughout your long shower as your hot water pressure erodes. The newer and much more expensive, by the way, valve is called a thermostatic valve, and it controls the water volume and water temperature separately. They're very easy to tell the difference, okay? The pressure balance valve is going to have one handle. The thermostatic valve will have two controls, one for the temperature, one for the pressure or water volume. Thermostatic valve automatically adjusts the flow of hot and cold water to maintain a relatively constant temperature. There still might be some hiccups in there, but in general, it will eliminate most of the problems that and complaints that people have with the pressure balance valve. The last fitting I want to talk about here in showers is the shower head. A wall-mounted shower head is the most typical installation. Um, And just to note, some models integrate a handheld shower right into the center of the wall-mounted shower. So those personal handheld showers can be separate, or like we said, they can be integrated, but they are ideal for people of varying heights, tall, short, and all of the above. All right. Or maybe for someone who needs assistance, an elderly person or a child. Um, and they're also great for people who like to sit down while they shower. So the best location for a personal or handheld shower head in your shower is near a bench that is out of the stream of water from your main or wall-mounted shower head. Here's a couple of other options. One is an overhead or a rain head shower. It can be placed on the ceiling, or sometimes you see very similar rain showers with a wall mount installation. Finally, there is a body spray or a multi-head shower type. and it's got a group of individual little shower heads, all right? They're installed in a series. Sometimes they're on opposite walls, or sometimes they're all on one wall, and they will spray the individual's body. So here's a couple of examples. Right here we have a rain head shower combined with, I don't know if you can see, 1, 2, 3 little body sprays. Here again, we have it's hard to tell whether that's a ceiling mount or wall mount, your main shower head. And this one has 6 different body sprays coming from opposite walls. It also has a personal handheld shower head right here. And let's take a look at this one right here. We've got a wall-mounted shower head. We've got a personal handheld shower head right here. And we've got 2 little body sprays. Let's not forget to bring it back to our water conservation goals and our California Cal Green requirements. Notice what's not on here. Bathroom faucets don't have any flow requirements, and that's because people just turn them on and leave them until the tub is full. So it really doesn't matter if they fill faster or slower. Shower heads, however, have that 1.8 gallon per minute requirement. What does that mean for some of these multi-headed rain showers, body sprays, all these fancy options? Well, unfortunately, the total flow for all shower outlets has to be less than that 1.8 gallons per minute. So your shower design either has to have a diverter and only allow one shower head with a maximum of 1.8 gallons per minute to turn on at a time, or your total shower system has to have a total maximum of 1.8 gallons per minute. These can be difficult, if not impossible, to find. So you really want to work with your vendors and your showrooms and make sure that you are selecting Cal Green compliant products. And here's an example that I found for you of an American Standard product. It's a thermostatic, remember, pressure balance versus thermostatic shower system, including a shower head with the hand shower integrated into it. All right. That's useful because they don't both turn on at the same time. All right. It's got 2 little body sprays and tub spout with this particular set. And you can see that with this American Standard product, there were different flow rate options. So you'll need to make sure to pick the 1.8 gallons per minute Cal Green compliant. Thanks, everyone. In this video, we talked about the fittings necessary for a shower.